He'll be turning 80 years old in 10 days. And until now, he's still not wearing glasses. Nasaan na yung pera?
Nasa gilid.
Nasaan na yung pera?
Sa gilid na naman. Nasa gitna.
Mami, lakas pa ba ang iyong mata?
Yes.
O pa, huhulaan ko sa'yo kung nasaan itong pera. Tapos, pag nahulaan mo, sa'yo na. Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're going to do a challenge. And this is what we call Find the Money Challenge. I'm going to test the alertness of my parents when it comes to guessing where the money is. So stay tuned! So I have here 3 plastic cups with corresponding money on it. So this is 100. Another cup, I have 2,000 inside. And the other cup is, I have 1,000. So I'm going to arrange this now. I'm going to put this money inside and turn it down. And then this 2,000 I'm going to put here inside and again turn it down. Now I have this 100 here and I'll be letting my parents to guess where the 100 is. And if they get it, if they win, they're gonna be getting this. But if they lose, you know, they'll be getting a bigger amount. See, so let us start. So my father is here. He'll be the first one to do the challenge, the guess where the money is challenge. He is 80 years old in 10 days. He'll be turning 80 years old in 10 days. And until now, he's still not wearing glasses. So I would like to test how alert he is in guessing where the money is. Ready, Daddy?
I'm ready.
Okay, so I'll be putting the money inside. Okay? Okay, so here's the money. Tapos, nasaan yung pera?
Nasa gitna.
Okay. Nasaan na yung pera?
Nasa gilid.
Nasaan na yung pera?
Sa gilid na naman. Nasa gitna. Nasa gilid. Nasa gitna. Nasa gilid. Nasa gitna. Nasa gilid. Nasa gitna. Nasa gilid.
Last na.
Nasa gitna.
Yay! So nanalo siya ng 100! Tignan natin kung ano ang hindi niya napanalunan. 2,000 at 1,000. Pag nanalo sana siya, pag natalo sana siya, mananalo siya ng 2,000 at saka 1,000. Pero nanalo siya, kaya nanalo siya ng 100. Anong masasabi mo, Daddy?
Palitan na ang 1,000.
Okay, isusunod naman po natin si Mami maya-maya.
Lapig sa ati sipos po.
Sabihin mo anak ko kung
Go,
ano.
go, go.
Mami, lakas pa ba ang iyong mata?
Yes.
O pa, huhulaan ko sa'yo kung nasaan itong pera. Tapos, pag nahulaan mo, sa'yo na.
Oo.
Okay, ito ha, lalagay ko dyan. Tatakpan ko. Ay, kita. Tatakpan ko. O, So, asan yung pera?
Diyan, sa gitna.
Okay. Nasaan na yung pera? Nasaan na yung pera? Saan?
Yan.
O, nasaan na yung pera? Nasaan na yung pera? Galing nga. Nasaan na yung pera?
Yan.
Nasaan na yung pera? Galing ah. Mukhang ako yung
Yan.
matatalo ngayon.
Yan.
O, last na ito kung nasaan ang pera.
Yan, sa gitna.
Okay? Tignan mo nga kung nandyan yung pera pag
Ah.
Oh, winner! Kunin mo na sa'yo na yan. Papakita namin kung ano yung mga hindi mo nakuha.
Ay, na, sayang.
At saka 2,000 at saka 1,000. Okay.
Mupak ko ba na dyan at tabaging mga peso na tanong
Oo.
wala. Posible kayo. Matibangan ah.
Okay. So dun po nagtatapos ang ating challenge sa aking mga parents. They're so happy with the 100 pesos that they got from this challenge. But the thing is, I just want to test their alertness sa age nila na 80 years old sa father ko in 10 days, and my mother is 74 years old. And take note, they're still not wearing glasses unlike me, and they're still alert, and they can still guess where the money is in this challenge. So I hope magaya nyo rin itong challenge na to sa inyong mga magulang or sa inyong mga lolo't lola para malaman natin or malaman nyo kung gaano pa sila ka-alert kahit na wala silang eyeglasses na sinusuot. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and also hit the like button and also the notification button so that you'll be updated with my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.